Hey everyone, we are at Dalton Farms in Swedesboro, New Jersey. This is one of the largest sunflower farms in the state, so we'll take you guys for a look around. So Gary is unfortunately working today, although I don't think he's too upset that he's missing a day at the sunflower farm. You know, big tough guy at the flower farm. But I brought my parents with me today. Say hi to my mom and dad. Should be a really fun day. Aw, how cute are my parents? Check out the red sunflowers. If you're planning on visiting Dalton Farms, we highly recommend coming on a weekday if possible. We arrived on a Friday at 11 a.m. and there were only a few people here. We felt like we had the farm all to ourselves. There are food trucks and vendors here every weekend, so it can get really crowded on Saturdays and Sundays. We were just reading the pamphlet we got when we arrived, and this place is 99 acres, which is absolutely crazy. It is massive here. So there's actually 2 sunflower fields. We're walking over to the second field now, and there's another field with other flowers. So we'll take you guys for a look around. I am a giant child. Can't take me anywhere. Aww. So cute. Do you want to be friends?
Yeah.
You want to be friends?
It's funny how their slits go to the side, like cats go up and down.
We made some new friends.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were speaking the video.
Hi, you're so cute too. Even though you tried to eat my shoelaces. Hi. Oh, we got another friend. Hello. I love this one's coloring.
I know. It's like a calico.
So cute. So cute.
Look at you. Oh my goodness. They like to be petted.
I think my dad has 2 new best friends. Aww. Sunflowers for days.
I guess they wait.
Tickets for Dalton Farms is cheaper if you buy in advance. We bought our tickets online and it was $13 per adult. If you buy it when you arrive, it is $18 per person. There's even a lighthouse here. we just made a new friend. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Hey, look at you.
Hello. So what's really cool about Dalton Farms is that it's not just sunflowers, they have a ton of other flowers here. Got another swing for all your social media pictures, guys. Do it for the gram, Mom. This is like an ab workout. Getting those six-pack abs. So many flowers. Hi guys!
Oh, hello.
Hello, buddy!
His coloring is beautiful.
You're so cute.
Hi. Hi. I want to see you hop all over.
Whoa!
Whoa, what's going on there?
We'll see you next year, okay? Incredibly random, but this is the cleanest porta potty I've ever been in my life. So props to Dalton Farms for super clean porta potties. All right, we are just about to leave Dalton Farm now. We had an amazing day here. We were here for over 3 hours and I still feel like we could have stayed more and explored because there's so much to see. It's open from 10 to 7 every day, so if you guys want to come check it out, I think it's open until October-ish, maybe mid-October, so this place is amazing. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can see our upcoming adventures.
This is the right way I'm holding it, right?
Can't take me anywhere.
Wait a minute.
Oh, you're facing it the wrong way.
I thought so. I saw myself. I said, what
that in the video.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Please
My
don't.
mom's taking a selfie on the GoPro.
Oh my God.